Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set the charging limit on Microsoft Surface Pro 12. To do it, we're gonna need to open the Surface application, which is pre-installed on our device. Open the Start menu, find Surface app in here, open it, and after that, wait until the dashboard loads up. Expand the battery and charging menu and select limit to 80% if you want to limit the battery charging. You can also use adaptive mode, which will adapt to your routine, and charge to 100, which is the default charging mode. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.